Whoops. Hang on 1 second, guys. All right, here we go. Hi, everyone. It's Sarah James from JessieJamesBeads.com. I am here at the Whole Bead Show in Oakland, California. We are just wrapping up the weekend. It's almost over. It's been 3 really fun days here in Cali. Been a lot of really amazing vendors here. Got to meet a lot of really cool people, cool new people coming to the Jessie James booth. So hopefully they'll be joining us here on the Jessie James Facebook page sometime soon. It's always great to add new members to our creative community. And as I've promised many of you, if we could, we would do a virtual bead show here live from the show floor before Jessie James packs up and ships it all back home to Pennsylvania. So I've got 10 really cool strands on the table right here. I'm gonna flip it around and share them with you in just a minute. How it's going to work is you can take a look at the strands. We'll look at them all together right now. Each of them has a number. So just send me a personal message with the number, the strand number that you want, and the quantity. All the strands are $10. And I will send you a PayPal invoice and ship them out to you probably on Wednesday of this week. So without further ado, I'll flip the camera around and we can take a look at these strands. If you're not able to catch this show live, no worries. Send me a personal message with the number that you want and the quantity. If it's still available, we'll get it sent out to you, okay? So this will be fun. Let's look at some beads. All right. Yay! Hello. Okay, so here's just a quick pan over of the strands that I have for you. We'll just take a quick little look-see at all of them. These are the ones that I picked out because they are not available on JessieJamesBeads.com. They're only available when you shop with us at a show. And they're only available right now to you on this Facebook Live virtual bead show. So here's just a quick look over of what we got, and then I'm gonna go over them individually. All right, hi Holly, hello Emily. Karen wants to know if we have Christmas collections now. Yes, we do, Karen. They are available on JessieJamesBeads.com. Go visit it. It's the Nutcracker collection, our 2018 holiday, and it's amazing. So let's start with this virtual bead show. Right here with strand number 1. This strand is full of glitz. Like, I can't even describe how amazing this strand is in person. I hope that the light is catching it and you can see it at home. Right from the tip of it, you have a Jessie James boho bead, one of our custom metals. Then you have an artisan JJB, a really cool, funky looking bubble glass bead, a netted, rondelle netted net stitch bead, and then finished up with the same sort of pattern up at the top. That's strand number 1, and we only have 4 of it. What you see is what you get out here. We don't have any more than the quantity that you're seeing right on this table. Next, we have Marina Blue. This is from the Fall 2016 Pantone collection. This is just a really beautiful, bright, vibrant blue. I love it going into the winter months as we're getting a little bit chilly. This is a nice, bright blue that'll add a beautiful pop to a wardrobe. Make a really great bracelet bangle to add to your bracelet stack. I mean, look at this. You've got these really pretty rhinestone rondelle beads. They're large hole. Ooh, someone likes it. Yeah, I love this strand. This opaque milk glass. I don't know if you've ever tried to buy the strand, these opaque sorts of beads, but man, they're spendy. They really are, and it's rightfully so because it is such a beautiful quality. Really thick, really thick, non-transparent look for this glass. Leash Marie says these are so pretty. Thank you so much. I agree. Then we have a beautiful large hole bead. It's covered in bead caps, but if you're into large holes, you can take this apart and use that bead right there. Super massive hole, and just a really cool, funky sparkle it has to it. Another one of those netted beads. This time it's with pearls. Cage crystal with a blue crystal in the middle. That's really kind of funky. You see that there, that crystal bead? Yeah, I love it. This is strand number 2. So if you guys want one of these, personal message me with the number and the quantity that you're looking for. Hi, Deb. Deb, we missed you this weekend. It was really smoky out here in California. Really, really smoky with all the fires that were going on. Oh my goodness gracious. It was so crazy. I'm sure you guys have been watching the news. Okay, this one is strand number 3. This one features some agate beads. Really beautiful peach agate with these like such gentle striations running through them. Wow, you see that? This is such an elegant and feminine strand. Gosh, I love it. These glass beads are gorgeous. It is just like really, really feminine and beautiful. And again, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of strand number 3. This is our Peach Princess Agate strand. I just named that on the fly. It doesn't really have a name. You could call it whatever you like. Pretty and peach. Cindy Jackson says she loves these. Thanks, Cindy. Next one, guys, and this is a big one, and I know this one's gonna go really fast, so if you want it, definitely make sure you message me. This is Saraswati strand number 2 from the Goddess collection. Saraswati is the Hindu goddess of the arts, and this is the second strand that we put together in the Goddess collection for that sweet goddess Saraswati. It features our Jesse James rosette, metal rosette beads, this beautiful faceted glass bead in the middle, and our custom Jesse James beads with the sateen finish on them. This strand is sold out online. It's not available anywhere but right here and right now. I'm sad to see it go, but I will sell all 4 of them, I promise. That's strand number 4, Saraswati. Next, we have this really funky strand, and this one's special because it has this pendant bead on the end of it. This just needs a head pin or maybe a little bit of wire wrapping, and you'd have a beautiful focal for a necklace. If it were me and I were gonna be doing a little design work with this, I would take this strand and string it like this way, you know? And then hang that big old chunker right there in the middle. Be a beautiful, beautiful, elegant piece. And this is all natural stone right here. It's heat treated, it's color treated agate. And then here we've got some, gosh, I want to say that they're jasper, but I really don't know. I apologize. But this is natural stone mixed with really, really cool Jesse James bead rhinestone beads and these really funky seed bead colored beads. We've got some galaxy beads with really cool bead caps on them. And that is strand number 5. Yeah, purple powerhouse strand. Michelle says that she would just add chain to that strand. Yeah, I agree. It doesn't really need much more. Just a little bit of chain and you've got a really fire looking piece of jewelry. Ooh. Moose says that she did a really awesome wire wrap with this focal. Cool. Yeah, this one's not online either anymore. This is all we've got. Just what's here at the show. All right, next we've got golden lime. This strand is so pretty. Is it yellow? Is it green? It's kind of a little bit of both. Really a fun color going into the winter cool months. It's very warm and kind of has this like cozy feel to it. These beads here are hand dyed by the dye department at Jesse James Beads right in our hometown of Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. And we've also got some really cool gold beads with rhinestones, our beautiful rosette beads, custom Jesse James, and that is strand number 6. So just send a personal message with the number that you like and the quantity that you're looking for, and we'll get you an invoice and some beads a little bit later this week. Virtual bead show here at the Whole Bead Show. Next, and this one is one of my absolute favorite strands that we've ever made, ever, and that is saying a lot because you know us at Jesse James, we create a lot. The show's closing in 15 minutes. We better hurry up, huh? Good thing we're at strand number 7. So this is, like I said, one of my most favorite strands, and I love it because we have these acrylic elephants on here and these really sweet little spacer beads and really, really beautiful bohos. There's these funky little polymer bumper beads. This strand just has a lot of character to it. They're doing raffles right now. Isn't that fun? You know what? Since they're doing a raffle, why don't we do a raffle? Guys, type in the word whole bead if you're interested in a chance at winning a little prize pack from me. I'll pick it out special. Just type the words whole bead right there in the comments and we'll pick a winner tomorrow. All right, so back to the virtual bead show. This is strand number 7. This is our elephant strand. Beautiful. Gosh, I just love it. And like I said, this is all we've got of it. Strand number 7. Next, we have this gorgeous strand. This is from the Into the Woods collection, and it is full of sparkle. Check out these electroplated glass beads, these cubes, the way that they're strung. Isn't that neat? Yeah, guys, type the word whole bead in there if you want a chance to win a prize pack picked by me. Then, right here in strand number 8, we've got really cool rhinestone ball beads with 2 different colors. You've got one with amber crystals, and then you have one with gunmetal. And then along the way, we've got a gunmetal cage bead and some really neat etched glass rounds. This strand is really, really cool. And there's 1, 2, 3, 5 of it. Okay, that's strand number 8. Next, we have also from the Jesse James white label. This strand features these really cool acrylic beads. In the middle of this bead is a wooden bead. The wooden bead is covered by floral fabric, and then it's lacquered around to hold all that goodness all inside, and it really gives it a very unique look with a lot of depth to it. Again, we've got those Fimo bumper beads and some really cute little leaf tiny beads on the end. And here's a little secret, guys. This strand right here was designed by me, yours truly. I don't do too much design work at jessejamesbeads.com, but this one is a Sarah James strand, and that is strand number 9 here at our virtual bead show. Laura wants to know how much they are. All the strands are $10, guys. $10, and this is the only place that you can get these beads. We are sold out of them everywhere else. The virtual bead show is just a place for us to let you guys that are back at home experience some of what we are having right here in person. So here's strand number 9. Thanks so much for coming out and supporting. All right, last but not least, we have strand number 10, and it is full of glitz and glam. This is really fun going into the holiday season. It's a pinkish purple, but is it pink? Is it white? Is it purple? Is it blue? It's so iridescent, this strand. Oh my goodness. Look at those AB sparkle just throughout the whole entire string. I believe this is almost mauve. Yes, it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of this strand is only available. That's strand number 10 for the virtual bead show. Ah, gosh, it's such iridescent beauty. I really have the light shining on this one, and you can just see all of that sparkle. Cage beads and Jesse James bohos, little rhinestone rondelles, other beautiful white AB coated rondelles. That is just a stunning strand. So that is number 10 right there. I'm gonna do a quick pan back over so you guys can see them. Feel free to scroll back through this video. Send me a personal message with the number that you want and the quantity that you're looking for. So long as they're available, I'll invoice you and we'll ship them out later this week. So here's number 10, 9, 8. Oh, thank you, Emily. That's so sweet of you. 7 is the one with the elephants right here. 6 is our golden lime. 5 is our purple powerhouse agate strand. Number 4, which I know is gonna go really fast, is Saraswati. This one sold out so quick on the internet, and I was so happy that we had 4 available for this show, and that we still have 4 available to be able to, that we have 4 available for this virtual bead show. That's number 4. Number 3 is our Peach Princess agate strand. Ah, Maria, that is the cutest little emoji. She's excited. Me too, Maria. Number 3 is this beautiful peach agate strand. Number 2 is our bright, vibrant blue Marina strand. Hi there. And number 1 finally is our sparkle, 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 heavy, heavy sparkle boho beauty strand. That's number 1. Pat Stewart says it's hard to choose, all very pretty. Thank you. So thanks so much, guys, for joining me this afternoon. I guess it's evening back on the East Coast for the Jesse James virtual bead show here live at the Whole Bead Show in Oakland, California. We've had a really great time at the show. Thank you so much to all of our new friends that we met. Thank you for the old friends that came out to see Jesse James Beads and say hello to me. It was really, really wonderful. It's always great to see you guys in person, and it's really, really wonderful to be able to interact with you online. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you're having a wonderful evening. If you're in California, I hope that you and your family and friends are safe. And I will talk to you all very soon, okay? Take care. Thank you again. Bye.